Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to merge two Outlook calendars. This is incredibly useful when you're juggling multiple schedules and want to see everything in one unified view instead of switching back and forth between separate calendars. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features. Wait a moment for everything to sync properly, especially if you have a lot of emails or if it's been a while since you last opened the app. Once your emails have loaded and you're on the main Outlook screen, it's time to navigate to your calendars. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see several navigation icons. You're looking for the calendar icon, which typically looks like a small calendar grid. Go ahead and click on it. This will switch your view from emails to your calendar interface where all your scheduled events and appointments are displayed. Now that your calendar has opened, you should be able to see your existing calendars. This is where the magic happens. Assuming you have multiple calendars already set up, whether they're for work, personal use, or different projects, you'll want to look at the top part of your screen, find and click on the View tab in the main menu ribbon. This tab contains various options for customizing how you see your calendar information. Within the View tab, scan across the options until you locate the Arrangement section. Here you'll find an option called Overlay. Click on it. What happens next is quite impressive. Your multi-calendar view will instantly merge into one unified calendar, combining all your scheduled events and appointments from different calendars into a single cohesive display. This eliminates the need to toggle between different calendar views and lets you see potential conflicts or overlaps at a glance. Even though your calendars are now merged, Outlook smartly maintains the distinction between them. Each calendar retains its own color code, so you can still easily identify which schedule tag belongs to which calendar. This visual differentiation is incredibly helpful for keeping track of whether an event is work-related, personal, or from any other calendar you've set up. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your Outlook calendars into one streamlined view while maintaining the ability to distinguish between different calendar sources through color coding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.